Hi guys, welcome back to Glam with Isis. Today we are doing a DIY of Christmas gift box. Yes guys, using Dollar Tree products. These are some cooling racks which I use. You bend inside where I show you those knobs, you bend it inwards. Just like this. Take your time, they are very fragile, they can break easy. So you don't want them to break, and you form it into a square. Then you take the other one, which I'm going to just about using 3, and measure the top. And here I'm using zip ties to put it together. You can also use floral wire if you choose, but I choose to use zip ties. And then I'm going to just cut the top. You measure it first, of course, measure twice, cut once. So that's why I'm always measuring before I cut. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. It really helps out me putting out more content, more DIYs just like this. And then here I'm just cutting the ends of the zip tie. Here I'm using a ribbon, a wire ribbon, which is much easier. You can use fabric, you can use mesh, you can use whatever you desire. This is just to show you what you can use to get this, but anything can be used. So I choose for this box, I use the wire ribbon. Then I add some more ribbon to the box to make it like to wrap the gift. There's so many different ways you can do this, guys. It's absolutely beautiful at the end. And here you can use picks, you can use cherries, you can just tie a bow on the top. I choose to use these picks which I pick up at Walmart, and add some light which I got from the Dollar Tree. It turned out absolutely beautiful. Let me know if you will be trying this DIYs in the comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Follow me on Instagram for more episodes of Glam with Isis.